Welcome to Hexagon Geospatial e-training. Our topic, using pie charts for business analytics in GeoMedia. In this module, we'll represent population distribution across different age groups of each county in the state of Washington using pie chart graphics in GeoMedia. We'll understand how to define attributes used in the pie chart graphic and also define other symbology parameters that help us customize the pie representation. Pie charts in GeoMedia are essentially point style definitions that can be associated to a legend entry. In GeoMedia, the type of style definition that can be assigned depends on the geometry type of the legend entry. When assigning a pie chart style definition to a point feature, it's straightforward. The pie chart is placed relative to the point geometry. When a pie chart style definition is assigned to an area feature, the pie is rendered at the calculated center point of the area geometry. Like any other style definition, pie chart style definitions can be saved, exported, and reused. Let's open a predefined GeoWorkspace, King County Census, GWS, and see how to define a pie chart style definition in GeoMedia. This is the GeoMedia map window. Currently, there are no legend entries defined in the map window legend. We can either add a new legend entry using a pie chart style definition or define a pie chart style to an existing legend entry. To add a legend entry with the pie chart defined in it, we can use the thematic legend entry command. From the Home tab, select Legends, Add Thematic Legend Entry. Begin by selecting a point or area input feature to use to create the pie chart graphics. From the list of queries, select Population by Age Group to create a pie chart to see age distribution. There are many types of legend entries that we can add, including Standard, Bar Chart, Pie Chart, Range Value Thematic, and Unique Value Thematic. Select Pie Chart. Once selected, the appropriate controls are displayed to define the available symbology of the feature and also the pie chart. Because we have selected an area feature, we can also define the fill color, boundary color, and boundary width as necessary. The pie style control helps us define the pie symbology. Click the Pie Style button to bring up additional dialogues to specify the pie chart content and assorted style definitions. A grid is displayed that lists the available attributes to select from. The values from the selected attributes will be used to determine the share or size of the pie slice displayed in the pie chart graphic. Select the required attributes by adding a check mark to the individual rows. Notice that a default color is used from the color palette below and automatically assigned. This color can be changed by double-clicking the color cell in the attribute grid and selecting a new color from the color table. If we want to define a more descriptive name for the selected attributes, they can be defined in the label column. In the grid, you can see the current attribute and the assigned label. The label can be changed by clicking the label cell and typing in a new name. Here, we've already done this. The order in which these attributes are represented as pie slices can be modified using the Move Up and Move Down arrow buttons to the right side of the grid. Once defined, the attributes are represented as pie slices in a counterclockwise direction. The colors in the pie chart can also be assigned from a different color palette by choosing the palette from the Assign Colors dropdown. Select a pastel color palette for this pie chart. The colors are automatically applied and the pie is updated. The size of the pie can be modified as necessary. For this example, from the Pie Size dropdown, select 72 points from the list. The pie's boundary definition can also be modified. Select a lighter color to complement the pie slice colors. The style definition can be saved by clicking Name Style. Define a name or use the default provided and click OK. Click OK to accept the inputs. Again, click OK on the Add Thematic Legend Entry dialog to add the legend entry. The Population by Age Group legend entry is added to the legend. Also, all counties in Washington State are added to the map and pie charts are displayed. In the legend, each of the selected attributes is shown, displaying the defined colors and labels that were specified earlier when defining the pie. To see the statistics for the pie chart and each of the attributes selected, hover the mouse over the feature. The tooltip shows the attribute value and the percentage of each pie slice displayed in the pie chart. Thank you for watching this e-training module from Hexagon Geospatial. For more e-training, please visit hexagongeospatial.com/e-training.